heard attempts to get this verdict thrown out and do a retrial over what she says is a fake juror, but Judge Penney is having none of it.
According to TikToker at Joy Spark Leshen, Judge Penney is most likely going to throw out Amber's request for a trial because her excuses for needing an appeal is BS. So Amber was requesting her verdict to be thrown away and that she would like to appeal because she claimed one of the juries was fake. So Amber and her team said that jury number 15 had claimed to be born in 1970 when they were in reality born in 1945. About a 25-year difference. Now, as much as this is actually something quite tangible, if they are telling the truth, that is, they should have said so while the trial was ongoing. Amber's team should have spoken up while the trial was ongoing so that the said jury could have been replaced. But they didn't say anything because they had already planned that in case Amber is found guilty, they could use that information as leverage. Honestly, Judge Penney should not accept their appeal because they spoke ill of her when they appeared in shows after the verdict was announced. Elaine claimed that the judge was biased and that she didn't allow the same amount of evidence that Johnny provided to be equal with Amber's, and that's why Amber lost. Instead of Amber clarifying what her counsel had said, she also said the same and supported the fact that she wasn't allowed to give more evidence. Amber has been claiming to write a tell-all book and air out all the dirty laundry she had left in her brain. So why does she even need an appeal if she is going to out Johnny herself? Even without having to attend the trial but just watching it as it proceeded on the internet, it was pretty clear that Amber was guilty of those charges against her. It was also so obvious that she was lying, and the public caught on to that faster than even the jury did, regardless of whether the person lied about their age. Which is not okay. All the other members still believed Johnny was innocent and Amber was not. For someone to be 25 years older than they really are, it's going to be very easy to spot that. Why didn't the other jurors not see that? Why did the courtroom not see that? Was the person a vampire? Since they never aged at all. At this point, Amber is just grasping on feeble grass, and it's only a matter of time before she drowns. She's also being investigated in Australia for perjury after the Australian government realized that Amber lied to them back in 2015 when she had been found guilty of illegally entering Australia with her animals. She was also very rude about the whole situation, that she even named her new dog Barnaby Joyce after a high official in Australia. Now her case has even had the involvement of the FBI, and it seems like Australia wants to use her as an example to future celebrities on their manners. If she invites trouble everywhere, why then would she win an appeal when it's confirmed she has a habit of being in trouble all the time? If the trial does get thrown and Amber gets an appeal, who will be her jurors? Because I am quite sure none of the jurors available would want to work with someone as disrespectful as Amber. She had gone on a show and claimed that she never blamed the jury because they had been in court for 3 weeks listening to paid employees of Johnny who were all claiming she was unreliable. But didn't they also stay in the court another 3 weeks listening to her paid professionals all accusing Johnny of committing various types of assault on Amber? She even said herself that the jury chose Johnny because he is a celebrity, but she didn't realize not only she is also a celebrity but also the fact that they made a verdict because they found her guilty and not because of the dazzlement thighs Johnny. Trying to find help in places where you had previously disposed off is lesson enough for her to turn a new leaf and become a good, better person. I don't see any appeals working, but just in case it does work, Amber will still lose and she would have asked a lot of money that she would have used to pay Johnny back. Anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.